Planning content can feel overwhelming, especially when you're running a business, serving clients, and trying to stay visible online. The constant question of what should I post next can eat up your time and creativity. But what if you could plan out your next 6 months of content in just one afternoon? That's where ChatGPT becomes a game changer. It's like having a marketing assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you brainstorm, organize, and streamline your ideas. Start by thinking about the core topics your audience truly cares about. If you're in mortgage or real estate, that could be home buying tips, market updates, loan programs, client success stories, or even behind-the-scenes looks at your process. Once you know your focus, ChatGPT can help you lay it all out, week by week. It helps you create structure around your message so that every piece of content has purpose. Instead of scrambling each week for what to post, you'll have a full roadmap with titles, themes, and ideas that actually move your business forward. You can plan around the seasons, local market trends, or even your own goals, like building trust with first-time buyers, educating referral partners, or boosting repeat business. It's all about showing up consistently and strategically. And here's the best part. Once you've got your plan, you don't have to figure out production on your own. That's where we come in. At Edumarketing, we take your content ideas and turn them into professional, scroll-stopping videos that showcase your expertise, without you having to become a full-time editor or social media strategist. So, if you're tired of winging it, let ChatGPT help you plan, and let us help you bring it all to life.